Hello students, welcome to EVS online class. Today we are going to start our 12th chapter. Let us make a map. Children, do you know what is map? Map is a representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. A plan is a drawing of a small area on a larger scale. There are mainly four basic directions. North, East, South and West are the four cardinal directions. It is marked by the initials N, E, S and W. East and West are at right angles to North and South. There are three components of the maps. They are distance, directions and a symbol. A map is a representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. What are the some uses of maps? Do you know? Map represent the real world on a much smaller scale. They help you travel from one location to another. They help you organize information. They help you figure out where you are and how to get where you want to go. Then how can you tell direction without a compass? Finding direction by day. If you do not have a compass, you can use the sun to find approximate true north and from north any other direction. The method explained below can be used anytime the sun is bright enough for a stick placed in the ground to cast a shadow. Use sunrise and sunset for approximate direction. Face the sunrise and you are facing east. North will be on your left and south will be on your right. Face the sunset and you are facing west. North will be on your right and south will be on your left. Make a list of things in the classroom. Write the numbers of their quantity and gives a symbol to each item. Table. There is one table. The symbol, this is the symbol. Chair, one chair. And blackboard, also one. Bench, 20. Dustbin, 1. Fan, 2. Switch, 1. Calendar, 1. Fill in the colors. Let the square below the represent the classroom. Show the position of the things of classroom in the square. If there are two tables, then show the symbol of table at a specific place. Wherever there are benches, show them using the symbol. Give symbol to other things also and show them as per their position. Map of classroom. This is the classroom, my classroom. Cabinet, table, desk, door, TV, heater, computer, etc. North side, south side, west side, east side. This is the example of classroom map. Look at the picture. Board, chair, blackboard, door, benches, etc. You also do yourself. Fill in the colors. Make a map of your school. Whatever is in front of us should be shown at the upper side and whatever is behind us should be shown on the lower side of the map. Whatever is on the sides is to be shown on the left and right side. This is the examples of school maps. Just look at the picture. These all are some examples. My school. This is classrooms, gardens, tap, trees, dustbin, playground. This picture also do yourselves. Map of Ranpur village. Look at the map. Here some symbols are given. River, post box, bird feed, school, hospital, Grama Panchayat, garden, well, pond, hand pump, milk dairy, south. Now look at the picture. Here some pictures are given. Look at the picture. This is the north side. This is post box. Here is school. This is Grama Panchayat. This is garden. This is well. This is hand pump. This is milk dairy. This is pond. This is east side and this is west side. Then where is the post office located? Post office is located on the northwest side. This is post office is northwest side. And where is the school and Grama Panchayat? School and Grama Panchayat is on northwest side. This is northwest. And where is the well? Well is on west side. And where is the hand pump, pond, milk dairy and hospital? These all are in southeast side. This is southeast side. Children, do you know which is our district? Our district is Amreli. Now we are going to see the map of our district Amreli. This is the Amreli river map. This is all the Amreli river map. Here where is Amreli? Here is Amreli. This is our district Amreli. And now we are going to see about the Amreli district. Here which places are near? Babra, Bagsara, Wadia, Kamba, Dari, Rajula. Where is Rajula? Rajula is in which side? South east side. Now this is the Amreli district. Now we are going to see our district Amreli. This is Amreli district. In this chapter we learned about map. Then what is the importance of reading map? Map reading and map drawing are important skills to learn in geography. Map also help us to know distances so that we know how far away one thing is from another. We need to be able to estimate distance on map because all maps show the earth or region within it as much smaller size than their real size. How do you take care of a map? To prevent maps from getting damaged, where possible use a waterproof map case or keep it in a pocket or in some other places where it is handy for use but still protected. Choose a map case that is waterproof and has a cord so that the map can rest around the neck. Now we are going to wind up our class. Thank you, children.